Have you looked in the mirror lately and noticed a little sagging around your jawline or cheeks that wasn't there before? You're not alone. It's a natural part of getting older. But today, we're diving into simple, safe home remedies to help tighten your skin and give your face a natural lift right from your kitchen. I'm Dr. John Smith. As we hit our 50s, 60s, and beyond, our skin loses collagen and elastin, those proteins that keep it firm and bouncy. Gravity pulls a bit more each year, but gentle home remedies can boost hydration, stimulate collagen, and improve elasticity without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. These aren't overnight miracles, but with consistency, think 2 to 3 times a week, you'll see smoother, tighter skin over a few months, backed by natural ingredients our bodies love. Let's start with one of the easiest and most soothing, fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe is packed with vitamins and malic acid that hydrate deeply and improve elasticity, making it perfect for mature skin that's prone to dryness. Just snip a leaf from your plant, scoop out the gel, and apply a thin layer to your clean face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll feel your skin plumping up naturally. Next up, the classic egg white mask, a protein powerhouse that temporarily tightens pores and lifts sagging areas. Egg whites contain albumin, which firms the skin as it dries, and it's gentle enough for us seniors if we skip it on sensitive days. Whisk 1 egg white until frothy, spread it evenly on your face, avoid eyes, and let it dry for 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Use once a week to avoid dryness and follow with a moisturizer. For a hydrating twist, mix honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Honey locks in moisture and fights bacteria, while lemon's vitamin C brightens and boosts collagen, key for reducing fine lines around the mouth and eyes. Stir 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 4 to 5 drops of fresh lemon. Apply for 15 minutes, then rinse. Twice a week is ideal, but patch test lemon first as it can irritate thinner senior skin. These remedies work best when paired with daily habits like drinking plenty of water and using sunscreen. Stick around. This gentle massage can tone facial muscles, improve circulation, reduce puffiness, and give a subtle lifted look over 4 to 8 weeks with daily practice. A study on face yoga showed improved muscle tone, stiffness, and elasticity in key areas like cheeks, jaw, and neck after 8 weeks. Do this in the evening after cleansing, using a few drops of almond, jojoba, or coconut oil on fingertips to glide smoothly without pulling dry skin. Prep. Warm up with effleurage, 1 minute. Place your palms flat on your cheeks and gently glide upward from chin to temples in smooth, slow strokes, 5 to 10 times per side. This relaxes muscles, boosts blood flow, and prepares skin for deeper work, reducing tension around the jaw and forehead, jawline and neck sculpt, 2 minutes. Start at the center of your chin. Use thumb and index finger to pinch and release skin lightly, moving outward along the jawline to ears, then down the neck. Repeat 5 to 8 times. This enhances collagen, defines the jaw, and drains lymph to reduce double chin puffiness. Place index and middle fingers at nose corners, then glide firmly upward over cheekbones toward ears using light pressure. Do 8 to 10 sweeps per side. Petricide kneading here tones cheeks and lifts sagging mid-face. Forehead smooth, 1 minute. Press index and middle fingers into forehead lines. Then stroke outward horizontally for vertical lines or upward for horizontal ones. Repeat 6 to 8 times. This irons out wrinkles and eases tension headaches common in seniors. Gently tap ring fingers under eyes from inner to outer corners. Then press lightly at outer brow ends and glide upward. Hold brow lift for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Reduces crow's feet and puffiness without straining delicate skin. Finish by cupping hands over face, breathing deeply for 30 seconds to relax. Practice daily for best results, but stop if it causes discomfort. Simple facial exercises for muscle tone. These face yoga moves strengthen underlying muscles to support skin and reduce sagging, backed by evidence of better elasticity. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes morning or evening, holding each without straining neck or jaw. Fish face cheek lift. Suck cheeks in like a fish. Hold 5 to 10 seconds. Smile against resistance. Repeat 8 to 10 times to tone cheeks and lift mid-face. Smile smoother. Lips closed tight. Smile wide without showing teeth. Hold 10 seconds. Repeat 6 times to smooth laugh lines and firm mouth area. OX exercise. Form O with mouth wide, eyes open. Hold 5 seconds. Then X, eyes crossed, mouth stretched. Repeat 10 times for full face toning. Chin tuck, look up, push lower jaw forward, gently. Hold 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times to define jawline and reduce neck sag. Consistency matters more than intensity. Overdoing can tire small muscles. Lifestyle changes for lasting lift. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly on your back with a silk pillowcase to minimize creases and allow skin repair. Walk briskly 30 minutes daily to boost circulation and oxygen to skin cells, delaying sagging. Stay hydrated with herbal teas and limit salt alcohol to cut puffiness. Quit smoking if applicable, as it destroys collagen fast. Moisturize twice daily with ceramide-rich creams and SPF 30+ every morning, even indoors. This covers the core routine and supports next part can dive into full weekly plan, common mistakes, real senior stories, and when to see a doctor. Weekly plan to build your home routine. Combine packs, massage, exercises, and habits into a simple schedule for steady progress without overwhelm. Expect subtle improvements in 4 to 6 weeks. Track with weekly mirror photos in natural light to stay motivated. 5-minute massage plus 1 pack, aloe or cucumber. Evening after dinner. 5-minute facial exercises plus forehead, jaw focus massage. Morning after brushing. Egg white honey mask plus full 10-minute massage. Treat day. Rest or light cucumber. Refresh. Review week. Adjust for dry, irritated skin. Daily. SPF morning. Moisturize AM, PM. 2L water. Protein-rich meals like dal paneer or egg curry. Start slow if new to this. 3 days a week builds habit without fatigue. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many skip basics, leading to no results or irritation, but these fixes keep it safe for mature skin. To harsh pressure. Massage like petting a cat, light and upward only. Heavy pulling stretches skin more. Skipping patch tests. Test Remedies 24 hours on arm. Dilute lemon, turmeric. Rinse if tingling. No consistency. Home methods need 4 weeks. Missing days undoes circulation gains. Ignoring sun diet. UV rays destroy 80% of collagen loss. Pair with vitamin C foods for real firmness. Over-exercising. Limit to 10 minutes. Jaw clenching worsens TMJ pain in seniors. Real-life results from seniors like you. In a Northwestern University study, women over 40 doing face yoga 30 minutes daily for 20 weeks looked 2 to 3 years younger per blinded photos, with fuller cheeks and less sagging. One 60-year-old participant noted, "My jawline returned after holiday puffiness faded." Users on health forums report aloe honey masks plus massage reduce neck wobble after 6 weeks, especially with weight stability. In India, Ayurvedic routines with turmeric and gua sha jade roller help many 55-plus women feel refreshed post-menopause. Results vary by genetics and starting point, but 70% see glow and mild lift. Home remedies support mild sagging but won't fix deep folds. Heavy jowls or eyelid droop. Professional help prevents worsening. Sudden sagging, asymmetry, or skin changes could signal thyroid issues. Allergies or meds side effects get checked promptly. For moderate loss, non-invasive options like radiofrequency or ultrasound work well for 55+ with minimal downtime. If diabetes or heart conditions, consult before new routines to avoid irritation. A Jaipur dermatologist can tailor creams with retinoids or peptides safely. Quick start checklist for firmer skin. Gather fresh aloe, honey, cucumber, egg, mild oil, SPF moisturizer. Daily musts. Massage 5-minute, water 2L, protein meal, sunscreen. Track weekly photos. Note what feels best on your skin. Patience key. Skin renews every 28 to 40 days slower, with age celebrate small wins like smoother texture. Thank you for watching this full guide on skin tightening and natural face lifting at home. These steps can help you feel more vibrant and confident every day. If you try them, share your progress in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more senior wellness tips. Take care, stay glowing,